Welcome to the Best Social Teacher YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to discuss the polity part for the SSC public examinations. In polity, the fourth lesson, gender, religion and caste, is most important lesson in the blueprint for 4-mark question category. In this lesson, one of the important topic is India secular state constitutional provisions. That means what constitutional provisions make India secular. In that way, we will discuss this topic. In the examinations, the question may be asked like this: mention the constitutional provisions that make India a secular state. First we need to confirm and know what is a secular state. So we need to write the introduction like this: a secular state refers to a country that does not give official status to any one religion. It treats all religions equally. It ensures a separation between religious matters and the government. Then we can know what is a secular state. In secular state, there is no official religion and also all religions are treated equally. There is no relation between government and any other religion or any religion. So we know what is secular state. Now, what are the constitutional provisions in our Indian constitution that make India secular? Let us discuss it. Now we discuss what are the constitutional provisions are there in Indian constitution to state the India as a secular state. The constitutional provisions are: the preamble clearly declares India as secular state. Every citizen has the right to freedom of religion. People of all religions treated equally. Government does not favor any religion. India has no official religion. Everyone is free to practice, propagate and follow any religion. So this question carries only 4 marks. You need to write even 4 points for this lesson. Please take a screenshot at this point of the video for your further reference and read until you get the question. Thank you Anandal. Wish you all the best for your public examination. Please subscribe Best Social Teacher YouTube channel. Thank you one and all.